Hello students! So welcome back to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to create bras by using Microsoft Paint. So as the two meetings that we have learned about Microsoft Paint, in this video let's go directly to create the bras. So first thing first, you need your desktop. Here I will show you my desktop. Okay, we call this one desktop. And then let's open Microsoft Paint. Click start and then type Paint, and there you go, you find the software Microsoft Paint. Alright, I'm going to open it. Now I'm going to maximize it. Boom. Alright, so before we start making, we need to change the size of the media. Okay, you need to follow these steps, okay? Click resize and then change into pixels. Okay, I will make myself appear so you can know where it's me. Alright, change the horizontal into 1280. And then we are going to turn off this one, because if we don't turn off, everything will change immediately, no matter which one that we change. The number are changing, both of them. So we need to uncheck this one, right? It's off. Now we can change this one into 720. So once again, 1280 and 720 for the vertical. So after you're done with this, the button that we're supposed to press is OK, not cancel. Okay, remember? Click OK. Now the size of the paper or the media is already changed. And as you can see, beside me, there is a small number, 1280 times 720. So it does mean that your media size is already set and you are ready to go. Now you can also scroll up, scroll down, or you can zoom out, zoom in. Yeah, remember, this is assignment, okay? You need to change your size into this size, and after that you're going to make your bus. Here I'm going to make the road first. I'm going to scroll down and then click black, and we choose line 2, and then we click here and hold the mouse button so you can drag it to the direction that you want to stop. For example, I want to stop my point here, and then release your mouse. Okay, so it's done. Alright, now we are going to make the bus. Okay, I will zoom out so you can see clearly. Look, the road is already prepared. Now let's make the bus. To make bus, we need rectangle tool. Here we are going to choose rectangle tools and let's create. Okay, create here. I'm going to move it down. Alright, I think this position is already good, so I'm going to place it there. Then I'm going to scroll down and right click somewhere, okay, to turn off the selection. And then let's create the wheel, because we are not going to make a flying bus, yeah, but we create the normal bus. So we create the wheel, not oval, yeah. it looks like a tank, so we are going to make it just a regular circle, and then touch it with the road and done. And I'm going to make another one. Alright, there you go, and touch it to the ground. Save. Alright, and after that we are going to create the rectangle for the window. If the bus doesn't have window, the driver or even the passengers can't see what happened outside the bus, and they won't be able to see the road. So first, the front window, it is a big window. Even your car have a big window at the front. So I'm going to put it here. Alright, this is the front window. Now I'm going to make the second window right here. I will make it a little bit bigger. Done. And after that, we are going to make the door because we want to make sure that the driver and the passengers can get inside of the bus. So we are going to make the window. Oh, I mean the door. I'm sorry. We are going to make the door. So let's create, I think this door is enough, yeah, for a person to get inside. And after that, I'm going to make the third window. And then another door, because some of you say that the bus have 2 doors. Okay, and I'm done, and I'm going to create the fourth window. And there you go. We are done with the window. Ta-da! Now, let's use eraser to erase something. Okay, do you know what is that? Something at the lower part. And it is the wheel, because the wheel have a line on it. So we need to erase the line. Look at this line, and we are going to erase it. So we have a smooth wheel. Alright, and there you go. Now we are going to make the handle for the door. Look here, I'm going to make the handle by using rectangle. Oh, and done. Click somewhere and create another one in here. Alright, done. If you're asking me why the door doesn't have window, it's your chance, okay? If you want to add window under your door, it will be fine also. If even the window is circle, you can also apply circle window. However, I'm going to choose this part only. Actually, this is what we have learned in the meeting 8. So in the meeting 9, you are going to create and decorate your bus. So in here, I'm going to make the bus looks cooler. Okay, now I'm going to add lamps for the lamp, yeah, for the bus. And then I'm going to put a stickers of stars to make it more wow, wonderful. I'm going to put stars in here. This is not cops, yeah. This is just a cool bus. If you want to add wings, for example, yeah, like here, and then like this. Wow, this is a good, it's a racing bus. Or if you don't want to, you just undo it. Undo. Okay, remember this undo button is to cancel the object that we have already made. Here I'm going to give the roof. Alright, done. So my bus have a roof to protect from the sunlight. Now I'm going to also make the clouds. And then I'm going to erase the bubble because this is not clouds, the small bubble here. Erase. And then make another clouds also right here, and use eraser to clear the bubble once again. Alright, after you're done, then let's color time. Okay, here we have fill with color. Yeah, as you can see, this is this icon looks like a paint bucket that spill out the paint. Yeah, the right thing. Okay, then we click it, make sure that it is blue. It does mean that you are activating the tools. What is the color of the road? It's obviously gray. Yeah, I'm going to use soft gray in here. So I'm going to click here to fill the color. Oh, Mr. Jazz, what happened? Why the sky is also gray? If this happened, Then there is something like a hole in our drawing. Let's see, let's zoom out. Let's check. Where is the hole? There is no hole over here. Let's drag to the left. Oh, look at that. I can see a small hole right there. Look. There is a hole, everyone. Even it is small, but you need to cover this one really close. Yeah. Because, for example, like this one, I make a ball with a hole, so if I paint it, it will spill, yeah? Boom! Oh no! It's like your paint is out from the object. It's spread out from the hole. So that's why, if I create the object close and there is no hole, so when I apply the paint, it will spray nowhere, yang nggak in basah, nggak kececeran, ya, because there is no hole. So that is the principle of Microsoft Paint. When you make object or when you color the object, make sure the object doesn't have hole. Yeah. All right. I'm going to undo. Okay, I'm going to clean. All right, it fixed. Let's see, find a hole. There's no hole.
There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. So look out!
There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Okay, that is done. It's complete. Now let's color again with soft gray. Boom! Yes! Yes! It's not spilling anymore. So let's color the wheel. The wheel is going with black. Okay, black. Alright, it's done. Now let's color the sky. I'm going to choose here soft blue. Alright, and then for the bus, I'm going to choose yellow. Right there. And for the roof, I'm going to choose purple. Oh yeah, that's cool. And for the door, I'm going to choose purple. And for the window, I'm going to choose here, turquoise or the blue. Boom. Woohoo! That's nice. Now we're going to add the color for the lamp. And there you go. Okay, for the stars, I'm going to choose red. Oh, that's nice. And how about green? Woohoo! It's rock and roll. That's nice. How about orange? Oh, cool. I have a cool bus now. But look, everyone, we missed something here. I need to paint this one with the soft blue. Boop. And ta-da! It's done. And this is my cool bus. After you're done with everything, yeah, I'm going to zoom out, small, zoom out. Look, this is my bus. After you're done, you click File, and then Save As. Okay, once again, click File, and then Save As. In the Save As, you just need to click Save As. Click it. And now you are going to find the folder that you're supposed to use it to save your paint file. So here we click Documents, and after that find your folder. For example, if you don't have folder, you can create your own folder. For example, here I'm going to click New Folder, and I will type this one, maybe Tangira folder. Type the name, and then I press Enter button on my keyboard, and after that I will open this one by using double click. Yes, I already got inside the folder. And then file name, you are asked to type the file name. the file name for my bus. Let's say my cool bus. That's great name. And after that, click save. Ta-da! Done. And then what, Mr. Jess? And then you close your Microsoft Paint. Okay, and then open File Explorer. Click Start and then type File Explorer. Alright, here you go. You're already inside the File Explorer and you need to click Documents. Remember the file that you saved, Documents, and the folder that I just made is Kenjira folder. Kenjira is fine. I'm not stealing your folder. I just make it. And there you go, my school bus. Hey, my cool bus, not my school bus. So I'm going to connect myself into internet. Oh, I already connected my internet, my laptop. So I'm going to visit, I'm going to upload this file into Google Classroom. Here, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to click this one, Google Chrome, visit classroom.google.com. Okay, once again, classroom.google.com. And let's see what happened. We access our classroom. And there you go, our grade. Hey, there's Miss May over there. So we click one and find assignment. IT Metas 2 project. Okay, let's open this one. Please create your bus and decorate it with Microsoft Paint. Oh, I already done that. Also upload your file to this Google Classroom. Oh, we need to upload our file, so we must not take picture our screen with phone. My file is in the document, so I'm going to add. Then click add and here upload file. So we are going to choose this one, file. And after that, you can click browse or you drag a file here. So for make it easy for you, just click browse. For dragging, I don't recommend yet because it's quite hard to drag. And then find the folder. We are going to find it. Browse. Browse means find. Kenjira folder. Double click. And I'm going to choose this one, my cool bus, and then open. Or you can use double click and wait for the upload process until finished. Oh, it's done. And after done, what you have to do, you need to press turn in, everyone, so you will not miss the assignment. And then turn in. That's great. All right, and we are done. And then don't forget add comment to your teacher. Yes, I'm done with my cool bus. You can see my bus is really cool. You can chat me everything, anything you want to express, yeah? And then I give emoji. And then send it. It's like I'm talking to myself. But it's fine. Alright, that's work. And our Metas project is done. You can upgrade your bus into anything that you want. So you just use your own creativity, yeah? Don't only stuck or limit by following this tutorial. It's fine if you apply your creativity. I really appreciate it. Okay, everyone, so that's all for today, yeah? And wish the best luck for your midterm project. Don't forget the due date is 9 March. Okay, see you on the next chance and God bless you. Bye bye.